staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. Cinnamon, a spice derived from the bark of trees belonging to the Cinnamomum family, has been used for centuries for its aroma, flavor, and medicinal properties. Cinnamon is commonly used in cooking, baking, and even as a natural remedy for various ailments. In this video, we'll be talking about the 8 amazing health benefits of cinnamon and how it can help improve your overall well-being. What is cinnamon? Cinnamon is a spice obtained from the inner bark of several trees from the Cinnamomum genus. The bark is stripped and dried, which curls into cinnamon sticks, or ground into powder form. There are two main types of cinnamon: Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon, which is the more commonly used variety. Cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. The active ingredient in cinnamon is cinnamaldehyde, which gives cinnamon its distinct flavor and aroma. Cinnamon also contains other beneficial compounds like cinnamic acid, eugenol, and coumarin, which contribute to its health benefits. Health benefits of cinnamon. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory effects may help lower the risk of these conditions. 2. Antioxidant effects. Cinnamon is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress can lead to cellular damage, inflammation, and chronic diseases. Cinnamon's antioxidant effects may help reduce the risk of these conditions and slow down the aging process. 3. Lower blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to lower blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and insulin resistance is a hallmark of type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon may help improve insulin sensitivity, which can lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. 4. Reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. Cinnamon may help reduce the risk of heart disease by improving several risk factors, including high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high triglycerides. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects may also help reduce the risk of heart disease. 5. Improve brain function. Cinnamon may also have beneficial effects on brain function. Studies have shown that cinnamon can improve cognitive function, memory, and attention. Cinnamon's antioxidant effects may also help protect the brain from age-related decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 6. Antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon has potent antimicrobial properties that can help fight against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Cinnamon's antimicrobial effects may help prevent and treat various infections, including respiratory infections, urinary tract infections, and candidiasis. 7. Anti-cancer properties. Cinnamon's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects may also have anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that cinnamon can inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells, particularly in colon cancer and leukemia. Cinnamon's anti-cancer effects may be due to its ability to induce apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells. 8. Reduce menstrual cramps. Cinnamon may also help reduce menstrual cramps in women. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic effects may help reduce the severity of menstrual cramps and other menstrual symptoms like bloating and mood swings. How to incorporate cinnamon into your diet. There are many ways to incorporate cinnamon into your diet. Here are some ideas. Sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal or cereal for a sweet and spicy flavor. Add cinnamon to your coffee or tea for a warm and cozy taste. Mix cinnamon with honey and spread it on toast or use it as a sweetener in your tea or coffee. Use cinnamon in your baking recipes, like cinnamon rolls, apple pie, or banana bread. Add cinnamon to your smoothies or protein shakes for an extra boost of flavor and health benefits. Precautions and side effects. While cinnamon is generally safe for consumption in small to moderate amounts, excessive intake of cinnamon can lead to some side effects. Cassia cinnamon contains high levels of coumarin, which can cause liver damage in large amounts. It's recommended to use Ceylon cinnamon or limit the consumption of cassia cinnamon to a few grams per day to avoid excessive coumarin intake. Cinnamon can also interact with some medications, including blood thinners, diabetes medications, and antibiotics. If you're taking any medications, it's best to consult with your doctor before adding cinnamon to your diet or supplement regimen. Conclusion: cinnamon is a delicious and aromatic spice with numerous health benefits. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties make it a valuable addition to any healthy diet. From regulating blood sugar levels and improving heart health to reducing menstrual cramps and fighting against cancer, cinnamon is a versatile spice with a wide range of health benefits. Incorporate cinnamon into your diet and enjoy its many health benefits today. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.